Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. We're in a different setting today. I'm actually in the Dominican Republic. I'm in Punta Cana. It is absolutely beautiful here. Let me show you guys. So much greenery, it's gorgeous. So if you guys didn't already know, I've been traveling an absolute ton recently, and I've kind of just started to do a very similar makeup as I've traveled, and it's a really easy makeup tutorial, super glowy, focuses a lot on the skin, but also is a great glowy spring summer makeup. So that's what I'm gonna share with you guys today. I figured I might as well film it in a different setting other than my studio, so I hope you guys like it, and if you want to learn how I get it, then just keep on watching. First things first, you guys, I use a little bit of skincare. This is my favorite mask. This is the Summer Fridays mask. Absolutely, clearly love this mask so much that it's basically almost gone. I use it on almost every vacation that I have gone on. And I actually will use it underneath my makeup, so I'll just use a little bit. And I'll rub it in a lot. This is one of my favorite products recently. This is the Iconic London Prep Set Glow in the Water Mist Glow. This is the newest spray that they came out with. Their original is a little bit lighter, but I don't know, I've been really loving this one for my tan, bronzy skin, so I'll spray this consistently throughout my routine, before, after, in the middle, in between, and consistently just touch up with it, and it looks stunning. While I'm waiting for my face to dry, I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes. And then I'm going to move on to brows. This is precisely my brow pencil from Benefit. And when I'm on vacation, I don't like to fill my brows in a lot. So I have just a really light hand. I'll actually just fill them in a little bit now and go back later. So once that mask from Summer Fridays has really set into my skin, I like to apply the Beauty Blur Sunless Glow from Vita Liberata. This has been my absolute go-to. I'll use this actually by itself, and the Beauty Blur actually comes in just a Beauty Blur. It's supposed to help kind of just blur the skin together and also give you a bit of a glow. The Beauty Blur Sunless Glow actually will tan your skin gradually as you wear it, so you could wear it for the next like 3-4 days and let it gradually tan your skin, and then take a break from it, and it will gradually tan your face. I know I've always had some issues tanning my face from the sun, self-tan, or anything, but this works wonders, and I feel really good about wearing it. So I'm just going to pump a little bit of this on my hand and then apply it with a dense brush. So you can see that by itself already gave my skin a really, really beautiful glow. Excuse me, bird. For foundation, I've recently been using the Found Sealer from Tarte. I have two shades here. I have the Tan Neutral and the Medium Neutral. I'm actually pretty tan, so I am going to use the Tan Neutral and maybe just a smidge of the Medium Neutral. And I'm going to take a little of my Sunless Glow and just add a little squirt into that. And using the same brush, and then just blend everything out with a beauty blender. Of course, I have my Tarte Shape Tape with me. I have it in two shades. I have light medium, which is the shade I usually use, and I have medium because I'm a little bit tanner. I'll usually use the medium all over my face, and then just use the light medium where I really want to brighten up, especially underneath my eyes. And then blend it all out with the brush. And then go back in with my sponge to kind of just smooth everything out and take any excess product away. And then this is when I will then again spray the Iconic London spray. I'll just give this a second to dry. So once I've kind of let the liquids dry or set into my skin a little, I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This is in the shade Medium Plus. I kind of like to go a shade or two lighter than I already am, because when this is placed on top of more of a liquid or damp surface, it will get a little bit darker. So I'm just going to take my big powder brush and just put it all over my face. If you have super oily skin, this might not be the best powder for you, but my skin is, my skin's kind of oily and I make it work, and I will show you how in a second. But I'm just gonna not sweep but pat this all over on my face. And then because I do get oily in the T-zone right here, I'll take my Perfect Setting Powder from Cover Effects and just apply that to the T-zone. And a little underneath my eyes. Voila. Then I'm going to go in with my Cargo Blush in Los Cabos. This is one of my favorite blushes for when I am doing a glowy makeup and a tanned skin makeup. It's a beautiful pink peachy blush. It's very similar to NARS's Orgasm, but I would say probably a little bit more on the orange side. And I actually, in the summer, when I'm tan, I like to apply a lot more blush than I normally do to get on the apples of my cheeks, over my nose. Then we move on to bronzer. This is the NARS Laguna bronzer. I use this whether I'm tan or not. When I'm tan, I do use actually a little bit less, which is odd because you would think that when I'm tan, I use more to kind of darken up the Laguna bronzer. But I'm just going to use a little bit just to kind of give a little shape to my face. Especially my giant ass forehead. Apply a little bit of lip balm to soften up the lips. So now it's time for the glow. This is the Becca Opal highlighter. Mine is completely shot. So I actually usually, when I'm applying highlighter for a super ridiculous glow, I'll spray some more of this, but I'm not going for that crazy glow. I want to just look very dewy, very fresh. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush and just put it in all the highlight areas, even on the brow bone, and put some actually right on the inner corners. Gonna give my face another spray. I'm gonna curl my lashes again. I'm gonna jump back over to my brows. I have my little Anastasia brow powder here in medium brown. And I'm just gonna brush them out first. And then with a little angled brush, I'm just gonna fill them in a tiny bit. I just feel like a brow powder really looks so natural on the brows. For the lashes, I use two mascaras. I have the Better Than Sex from Too Faced and the Lancome Definicils. I'll use the Better Than Sex on my top lashes and then the Waterproof Definicils from Lancome on the back of my top lashes and also the bottom lashes. Reason being is waterproof helps it not transfer onto the face, and I feel like when you do a really dewy look, the oils from the makeup that you're using or the oils from the face can help kind of transfer the mascara to like under your eyes or on the top of the eyes or underneath. So that's why I use a waterproof one on the back of the lashes and also the bottom lashes. Now to finish off this look, I really don't do anything with the eyes, to be honest with you. If I want to, sometimes I'll take my Laguna bronzer from NARS and I'll apply it in the crease just to give my eyes a little bit of definition. But for today, I'm just gonna leave them as is, and we're gonna move on to the lips. For the lips, I've been loving this combo right here. This is MAC's Lip Pencil in Boldly Bare. And then for lipstick, I've been really loving this coral pink. This is Pink Sands from Tarte. And then I will top it off with the Artist Couture gloss in the color Sugar Baby. Then I'll give everything one last spray. Told you I like the spray. Now, I'll apply some of my Milk Makeup Kush Clear Brow Gel. And this is the final look. Alright guys, so that's it for my glowy vacation spring summer makeup routine. I hope you guys liked it. I've been wearing this basically on every vacation that I've been on, or every trip that I've been on, and I've been absolutely loving it. It's really easy, no fake lashes, no crazy brows, and just a really glowy, simple face that looks good with anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. As always, subscribe to me, and I will talk to you guys soon.